Welcome back, home chefs and kitchen lovers. If you are still struggling to chop vegetables with dull and rusted blades, it is time for a serious upgrade. Today we are checking out the best kitchen knife set to make your food prep fast and effortless. You are watching Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Designed for users who need total versatility, the Cook kitchen knife set provides a fantastic solution for virtually every cooking task. Having the right tool for the job can completely change how you feel about cooking, taking it from a tedious chore to an enjoyable experience. The Cook collection is carefully put together to meet the high demands of both everyday home cooks and passionate culinary enthusiasts. This complete package gives you a beautifully unified and highly functional toolkit. Let us talk about the impressive variety you get here. This comprehensive lineup includes a perfectly balanced 8-inch chef knife, which will quickly become your go-to tool for heavy-duty chopping and dicing. Next, you have an 8-inch slicing knife that glides smoothly through large cuts of roasted meat with incredible precision. For those who love Asian-style chopping, the 7-inch Santoku knife is an absolute dream to use, offering a blade that excels at creating thin slices. You also get an 8-inch serrated bread knife that cuts through crusty artisan loaves without crushing the soft bread inside. Furthermore, there is a 5-inch utility knife for mid-sized tasks and a delicate 3.5-inch paring knife for peeling fruits and doing intricate detail work. Plus, they have even included a heavy-duty pair of kitchen shears to handle everything from opening food packages to snipping fresh herbs right over your pot. One of the biggest problems with ordinary kitchen tools is how quickly they can rust over time. Cook has brilliantly solved this issue by treating each and every knife with a premium protective anti-rust coating. This exceptional feature ensures complete resistance against oxidation, meaning your blades will stay looking brand new for many years to come. Even better, this durable protective coating makes the entire set completely safe to clean in the dishwasher. You will not have to waste your time carefully hand washing and drying each individual blade after cooking a large family dinner. In addition to being highly rust-resistant, these smooth blades feature a remarkably effective non-stick layer. If you have ever chopped potatoes or onions only to have the slices cling stubbornly to the side of your blade, you will truly appreciate this thoughtful design. The non-stick layer keeps your blades clean while you work, allowing all of your fresh ingredients to slide right off. This makes your daily meal preparation much smoother, significantly faster, and a lot less frustrating. Proper storage and safety are major concerns when bringing sharp objects into your kitchen. To keep you safe, every knife in the Cook kitchen knife set comes with its own custom-fitted blade guard. You get 6 durable blade guards in total. These covers allow for safe and compact placement directly inside your drawers. They protect the sharp edges from getting damaged against other utensils, while also protecting your hands when you reach inside. Because the blades are securely covered, this set is also highly portable. You can safely take them on weekend camping trips or RV adventures without worrying about accidents. Beyond pure functionality, the beautifully elegant presentation of the Cook set makes it an absolutely wonderful gift idea. Whether you are shopping for a special holiday present, a memorable birthday surprise, or a festive housewarming celebration, this kit is guaranteed to impress. It is perfectly suited for young adults just starting out in their first apartment, as well as seasoned home cooks who want to refresh their kitchen with a reliable collection of cutting tools. Having complete peace of mind is incredibly important when you invest in kitchen equipment. Cook is deeply committed to top-tier quality, which is exactly why every single knife undergoes a highly rigorous inspection process before it ever reaches your front door. To back up that bold promise, the entire set is covered by a generous lifetime warranty. Knowing that your purchase is protected for life makes this an incredibly easy addition to your home. With the Cook kitchen knives set, your everyday cooking becomes much more efficient, highly precise, and completely enjoyable from start to finish. Say goodbye to frustrating food preparation and bring the joy back into your daily cooking routine today. Check the price link in the description to grab this amazing culinary collection. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more fantastic product showcases. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.